Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will delve into the concepts of indoctrination, different approaches to teaching, and the influential Dale's cone of experience. Let's begin. Indoctrination refers to the process of shaping beliefs and ideas in individuals, often with the intention of impressing those beliefs onto others. It involves influencing and molding individuals' thinking through various means, such as propaganda, persuasive techniques, or ideological influence. Now, let's shift our focus to different approaches to teaching. Two prominent approaches are the hardware approach and the software approach. The hardware approach refers to the utilization of technology, specifically information and communication technology, ICT, to mechanize the teaching process. It involves incorporating digital tools, such as computers, tablets, and multimedia resources, to enhance instructional delivery and student engagement. On the other hand, the software approach emphasizes the application of psychological principles to shape and modify learner behavior. It recognizes the importance of understanding learners' cognitive processes, motivations, and emotions to create effective teaching strategies. This approach highlights the role of psychology in optimizing learning experiences. Reflective teaching is another valuable concept in education. It involves a process of self-observation and self-evaluation, where educators critically analyze their teaching practices, their underlying motivations, and the effectiveness of their methods. Through reflective teaching, educators examine why they do what they do in the classroom, question the impact of their actions, and strive for continuous improvement in their teaching practices. It is a powerful tool for enhancing the quality of instruction and fostering professional growth. Now, let's explore the Dale's cone of experience, proposed by Edgar Dale. This cone illustrates the different levels of retention and engagement that learners experience based on the type of learning activity. According to the Dale's cone of experience, learners retain approximately 10% of what they read, 20% of what they hear in a lecture, and 30% of information presented through still pictures. Moving further up the cone, learners retain about 50% of the content when they view exhibits, demonstrations, or watch videos. When learners engage in hands-on workshops, role plays, or interact with models or real experiences, the retention rate increases to around 70%. At the top of the cone, direct purposeful experiences, where learners are actively involved in authentic and meaningful tasks, result in the highest level of retention, with approximately 90% of the learned material retained. Understanding the Dale's cone of experience reminds us of the importance of providing varied and interactive learning experiences that actively engage learners, as this leads to higher retention and meaningful learning. Today, we explored the concept of indoctrination and its impact on belief formation, as well as the hardware and software approaches to teaching. We also discussed the significance of reflective teaching and the influential Dale's cone of experience. If you found this video insightful, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more educational content. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to sharing more knowledge with you in future videos.